Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a KARO Petrol lighter made in Switzerland. This lighter shows some corrosion, scuffs, scrapes, dings, tarnish, I think this would properly be categorized as a roller lighter. As you can see, that wick is red. And it's also charred quite a bit, even from where I trimmed it. I've had all sorts of problems with this lighter and did not expect it to light just then. It's a very attractive lighter. I'm not sure of the time frame. I couldn't find anything on any of the normal avenues like Toledo Bin. There was nothing on the Toledo Bin website or anywhere else that I normally check to come up with a date. Fill screw, which as far as I can tell is the only source of any printed information. There's no other information on the bottom. But the fill screw does have a compartment for spare flint, as you can see there. I'm not sure of the base metal either. I believe that is chrome plated or nickel plated or something similar. But you can see here on the base of the lighter, or maybe you can't with this camera. Yeah, you can see an outline there where there's a seam on the base. So I'm not sure of the process, or even I haven't had this lighter open to have a look inside, other than I haven't pulled the wadding out and all. I've just pulled the fuel screw, but it was probably just by nature of whatever was cost efficient at the time, I suppose, or what was available. But that doesn't look to me like a solid piece of stock. That looks like a seam. I don't know what that means. It's just an observation. You can see here spot of corrosion, plating loss. Snuffer tension is very stiff. I'm not sure how you would describe the design. It's pretty cool looking, and as I said, has its flaws, but also sort of the lighter itself has kind of some unique lines in its appearance. When I initially filled the lighter, trimmed up the wick, and began trying to light it, I didn't know if it was it was too much fumes up top and not enough oxygen that was pushing the spark away, or maybe the wick has been contaminated with something. I'm not sure. This red dye or whatever's in that wick, that's not something that I'm not sure if I've encountered that before at all, let alone it being common. So I have left the lighter here for several days to sit, and I've tested it here and there. So while it is a very attractive lighter, at this point it doesn't appear to me to be a usable lighter, even though it is lighting more efficiently in this video than it has for the last week. Now it looks like it's low in fuel anyway. So I think I will re-wick it and see if we can get some better results. If you like watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Until next time.